Yo, what's up everybody? Today we got the Dave's Hot Chicken, newly opened, Davenport, Iowa. I'm super excited about this. First time trying Dave's Hot Chicken. I got the slider and the tender, side of fries. I got a mild tender and a extra hot slider. Some Dave sauce, some pickles. Let's get into this review. First, we got these fries, crinkle cut, seasoned. Talking about seasoned. Crispy, crunchy, fluffy on the inside. That's a good fry. All right. Tender. Man, look how big this tender is. This is the mild. Hot. Right away, spices hit you. You're tasting seasoning. You're tasting the hot tender. It's crunchy. Man, that's so good. But you know we have to elevate it. Gonna get some of this honey on there. Some of this Dave sauce. Get that pickle on there. This is good stuff. You taste a lot of spice on it, but it's not spicy. You're getting that flavor, but the mild, there's no kick. But right here, in the slider, we got the slaw, the pickle, the tender. This one's the extra hot, so I'm hoping to get a little heat with this one. Let's get into it. My lips are tingling a little bit. Not crazy. You can definitely tell it's got some kick on it. Way more than the mild. I'm just waiting to see if there's a kick-in point here. Great sandwich. The slaw's nice and creamy. Pickles crunchy. These are good pickles. Look at these. Yeah, you know good pickle when you see one. Well, yeah, the extra hot, pretty good. Definitely taste some spice, but nothing extravagant. Overall, 8.2. Solid 8.2. All right, thanks.